Earnings with Steve Grasso, Director of Institutional Sales at Stuart Frankel, and a CNBC contributor. Out of all the one, the flood's coming. Starting. Which one caught your eye today as a trader?
So when I look at these, when you look at HOG, H-O-G, Harley Davidson, it seems as though this is the one that the time has passed. You know, baby boomers are done riding motorcycles, right? I mean, is this the one that seems like it's secular decline? Okay, they're trying to run into electric vehicles. Who's going to do that with a HOG? Right. You want a real powerful one. So I think that one is the one that I leave by the wayside. UTX. Is it sad? Did you ever ride? I used to ride as a kid. Not a HOG, though. No,
I had a Honda.
I used to ride the faster motorcycles. But I don't want to be on them. And the millennials, they want to be in smart cars, right? Andrew, you would never get on a HOG.
I don't want to get it. I don't want to ride around in a Mini Cooper.
You know that. Yeah, it's too small. I want to be in the biggest truck.
And then if you have nothing. Right. You have nothing. And
so just to jump through them, 3M, I think that was hit with China's slowdown. It was hit with a lot of industrial weakness. You might see a bounce there. I would play that one for a bounce in the future. Switch with guys.
I mean, how long of a bounce in the future? If there was weakness in China because of the trade talks, now you're dealing with.
And there's some environmental issues too. So they had a case that they had to settle with some environmental issues. But they have so many different SKUs. They're in so many different segments, so that something can hit. But that one is going to be a little bit of a wait if you want to wait for a little bit of a turnaround for that stock price.
What else caught your attention today?
UTX. Some of the activists don't like the Raytheon, I guess, merger. So, but the market likes it. So who cares? Activists like things that they could change or they could sort of stir up. They don't see a really good strategy for this breakup to merge, but I think you're okay with both of those companies, and I think free cash flow looks pretty good going forward.
Okay. Steve, thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Good to see you.
Did you trade already? Have you done some things already?
No, I don't like to trade pre. I like to see the real action flow because I think they get too whippy. Yeah. So clients will trade if you have to be in the market prior to. But I think you have to wait to see where the real volume is.
Do you have plans when things open? What are you thinking?
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at all these names that have gotten beaten up recently. I'm looking at, it's just a little bargain hunting. I'm looking at Apple. I'm looking at Snap. I have a bunch of chemical names. I have a bunch of paper product names, WRK, TSE, OLN. All those names, I think you're going to be very rich if you could hold them for a year and a half.